Hello students, Sem 5, chapter number 4, The Lady or a Tiger. The chapter is written by Frank Richard Stockman, who was born in America. He was a writer as well as humorist. He was known for a series of innovative children's fairy tales that were widely popular during the last decade of 19th century. He was an American writer and humorist. His first fairy tale, Ting a Ling, was very popular at that time. A short tale to teach a moral lesson with animals, animated object or a character. His famous books are like The Lady or the Tiger, The Bee-Man, Adventures, Captain Tom, Provence Travel, Tingling, The Discouraged. This is the nation about the kingdomship where the king was something different. He justified something differently. He justifies according to Latin customs and his kingdomship custom. At that time, the king takes the decision as that way, where any person committed crime, any person who committed crime in his kingdom, the king did not punish him directly. Instead of it, the king put him on his luck. He taken to the criminal to a large arena where there is a tiger and there is a lady. In one door there. Behind one door there is a lady. Behind one door there is a tiger. And the criminal don't know that in which door who is that. Is there a tiger or is there a lady? It is not known by time. And the criminal has to choose a one door. If it is fortunate, give him support. He will choose a door where there was a lady. And if fortunate, his luck did not support him, then he choose a door where there is a tiger. In the same way, the system that followed by the king did not like the public. Why? What happened when the girl of, it means the princess of the king, fall in love with a soldier who was in his army? Is the king did the same thing with him? Is the princess helped the soldier? That kind of answer we will find into our lesson. The tiger or a lady. When all the people had assembled in the gallery, at that time many persons are gathered at the gallery in the arena to see that what was happened there. And the king, surrounded by his court, at that time the king was also there, set him up in his throne of the royal stage. He sat on his chair at that time. On the side of the arena, open large area. It is called retina. He gave a signal. A door beneath him opened. At that time, he symbolized his men, he symbolized his soldier there. And the excused subject stepped out into amphitheater. And at that time when he signaled that, the person, the soldier, put a tiger in one door, behind the one door, and behind the second door there was a girl, there was a lady. Directly opposite him, on the other side of the enclosed space, there was a space beside him, and in front of side, opposite side of him, were two doors exactly alike, side by side. Opposite side of the thing, there was two doors, and side by side, it means they are nearer to each other. It was the duty and the privilege of the person on trial to walk directly to this door and open one of them. At that time, it was a duty and privilege of a person to try to walk directly to this door and open one of them. He could open either door he pleased. At that time, the soldier selected any door. The king was pleased. If he chose the tiger side of the door, he was pleased that the tiger would eat him. And if he chose the second door where there is a girl, the king also pleased because his daughter will not marry with him. He was subject to no guidance or influence, but that of the aforementioned it means mentioned before. It is called aforementioned. Impartial, incorruptible. Incorruptible means non-suspectible. Incorruptible chance. It means in the fourth side, the benefit is for the king only. If he opened the one, there came out of a hungry tiger in the fiercest and the most cruel that could be proclaimed, which immediately sprang upon him and tore him into the pieces as a punishment for his guilt. If he chose the first door, there was a tiger. The tiger was so hungry that as he opened the door, the tiger attacked on the man and he tore him into the pieces and ate him. The moment that the case of the criminal was thus decided, doleful iron bells were changed. At that time, the same stone sword clanged. The stones, which are very sad, clanged at that time. Great bells went out from the higher monos. Dukhi, monos it means sad, upset. Posted on the outer rim of the arena. Everybody are very sad at that time. Normally, people went to see the arena and they are excited that what will happen there. But at that time, everyone are sad. The bell rang are mourning. Monos, it means vilap, dukh. Rim of the arena and the vast audience with bowed head and downcast heart wended slowly there, homeward way, mourning greatly that one so young and fair, or so old and respected, should have merited, should die of fate. Fate means destiny, love. At that time, when the king signaled to bear them, to claim them, the soldier, both the hand and downcast the heart, everybody are very sad at that time. What will happen? Wended slowly their homeward way, mourning greatly that one so young and fair, is it fair with a young boy? Or so old and respected, should have merited, should die of it. But if the excused person opened the door, there came forth for it a lady. When the person opened the door, there came forth it a lady. It means the door which was behind a lady. The most suitable to his years and station that his majesty could select among his fair subjects. And the lady is not so old, the lady is not so young. She is suitable for the soldier. Selected among his fair subjects. And this lady, he was immediately married. At that time, he has to be married with the girl because he chose the door of that. As a reward of his innocence, as he chose the door, and that is the reward of it. This is reward of it. It mattered not that he might already possess a wife and family, or that his affection might be engaged upon an object of his own selection. It mattered not that he might already possess a wife and a family. It is not for his family, it is not for his wife. Or that his affection might be engaged upon an object of his selection. He cannot oppose as well that whatever he chooses. He cannot oppose that I cannot do with it. I cannot deal with it. The king allowed no such subordinate arrangement to interfere with his great scheme of retribution and award. At that time, the king did not allow him to choose. He just gave him two options. Either he has to choose the one door or he has to choose the second door. There is no option that he declined for that. There is no option that he objected for that. This exercise, as in the other entrance, took place immediately. And in the arena, another door opened beneath the king. At that time, in an open arena, the another door was opened. And beneath another door opened beneath the king, and a priest followed by a band of choristers. When the door opened, there was a priest. It means pujari. And who that is a band also. A person who sang in chorus, that is called choristers. and dancing madness, blowing joyous air on golden horns, treading, and epitaphic measure, advanced to where the pair stood, side by side, and the wedding was promoting cheerfully solemnized. It means there is everything ready about his marriage. There is a bed, there is a priest, there is another thing which are needed for marriage. Then the gay grace, brass bell rang to the marriage place, and the people shouted glad words. At that time, the people are also joyed because the tiger would not eat the soldier. And the innocent man, presaged by the children, strewing flowers of his path, led his bride to his home. Everybody are throwing flower on him, and he takes his bride to his home. At that time, this was the king of Semipari method of administering the justice. It was the method of that. Its perfect fairness is obvious. The criminal could not know out of which door would come the lady. He opened the idol he placed, without having the slightest idea whether in the next instance he was being devoured or married. Either he would be devoured by a tiger or he would be married with a girl. On some occasion, the tiger came out of the door, and some of the other. The decision of this tribunal were not only fair. There were positivity, determinate, the excused person was instantly punished if he found himself guilty. And if he innocent, he was renowned on the spot. At that time, he was renowned by the court. The king was thinking like that. He was renowned by the king, by the God. If he was innocent, the God will not give him punishment. And if he was not innocent, then God will take him. Whether he liked it or not, he is not asked the person, he is not asked the ministry team that is this right or not. There was no escape from the judgment of the king's act. The institution was very popular one. When the people gathered together on the great trial days, they never knew whether they were to witness a bloody slaughter or a hilarious battle. They don't know about that. For very trial days, they never knew whether what is the bloody slaughter. This element of uncertainty lent an interest to an occasion which it could be otherwise have attended. Thus the masses were entertained and pleased. And the thinking part of the community could bring no charge of unfairness against this plan, for did not excuse the person have the whole matter in his own hand. It means there is the matter is not in the hand of the criminal. The matter is hand of the king. But the king also don't think like that. The king was think like that. Whole matter is upon the hand of God. If the God will right, he will do it. Let's go ahead. This semi-Caribbean king had a daughter, as blooming as his most florid fancies. the daughter, is very fancy. And with the soul is prevent. What is prevent? Having or soil, strong feeling. The daughter of the king has a strong feeling with the soldier and impudence of his own, acting or done quickly without thinking. The girl was not thinking at that time that the soldier is or his or her or not. As is usual in these cases, she wears the apple of his eyes. It means the soldier was already in her eyes and was loved by him above all humanity. Among his courtiers was a young man of that fineness of blood and knowledge of station, common to the conventional heroes of romance, who love royal maidens. The soldier also loved her. The royal maidens was well satisfied with her lover. It means the princess was satisfied to get love with him, for he was handsome, brave and dignified, unsurpassed in all his kingdom. She was falling in love with the soldier with some reason, and one of the reasons that he was handsome, he was brave, and he has a degree of unsurpassed which nobody possesses in his kingdom. And she loved him with the ardor, that strong feeling of that enough of barbarism, and to take it executive, very warm and strong. Her feeling is very warm as well as strong. His love affair moved on happily for many months. They romanced, they danced, they wandered into the jungle. Everything was going good for many months. Until one day, the king happened to discover its existence. The relationship is going well until the king knew that. When the king knew that, the relationship is not going good, he did not hesitate nor waver the regard to his duty in the premises. If the any other king in place of this king, he would give ultimatum to the soldier and told that leave the premises. But the king believed in the barbarism, and that's why he was not hesitated there. He would not throw out the soldier from his premises. The youth was immediately cast into the prison, and a day was appointed for his trial in the kingdom arena. At that time, both are into the prison, and both have to be presented into the arena. And the day was fixed. This, of course, was specially important occasion, and His Majesty, as well as the people, was greatly interested in working and development of this trial. At that time, the people are greatly interested in the working and development, what was happened with the king's own daughter. They are interested to know that. Never before had such a case occurred. Never before had a subject there. It means there was nobody in the town who dared to love somebody in the town before, except her daughter. Any kind of crime was not happened before the soldier and the princess know. Dared to love the daughter of the king. Nobody had dared to fall in love with the daughter of the king. In after years, actually people talk at that time, is the king did the same with the another person. Such thing became commonplace enough. But the hen were in no slight degree novel and steady. The people are eagerly waiting that what was the result of that. The tiger, cages of the kingdom were searched for the most savage and the related beast, it means animal, from which the fire-cast monster might be selected for the end. At that time, the king selected the tiger who was very rich, very angry, very hungry also. And the race of maiden youth and beauty thoughtful, the land were carefully surveyed by the competent judges in order that the young man might have a fitting bride in the case of fact, did not determine for a different destiny. It means at that time the king take a decision that there is no another method to justify it. They accepted the same method to justify that. He had loved the princess, and neither he, she, nor anyone else thought of denying the fact. But the king would not think of allowing any fact of this kind of interfere with the working of the tribunal, in which he took such a great delight and satisfaction. No matter how the affair turned out, the youth would be disposed of. The king would take a artistic pleasure in watching the course of events, which would determine whether or not the young man had done wrong in allowing himself to love with the princess. Here, there is no exceptional method for the princess also, for the justifier. The king take the same method, the same manner to justify the case. At that time, he put a fearful tiger behind the door and there is a girl behind the door. What would happen? Everybody are eager to know about that.